Hello, my dear students. My name is Shashank Shekhar, Master Teacher of Mathematics at Vedantu. So, in this video, I have taken a question from JEE Advanced 2022 Paper 2 Mathematics Part, question number 10. You can see the question here. Okay, it says alpha is the value of this series, infinite series, whose first term is sine square pi by 6, and the common ratio is also sine square pi by 6 GP series, infinite GP. And G is a function from 0 to 1 to R, be a function defined by Gx equal to 2 times 2 raised power alpha x plus 2 raised power alpha 1 minus x. Alpha we'll have to first find, then we have to tell about the maximum and minimum value, as you can see in the option of Gx. So let us find first the value of alpha. So alpha is basically sine square pi by 6 sine raised power 4 pi by 6 when k is 2 sine raised power 6 pi by 6 and so on up to infinity. So the first term is sine square pi by 6. The common ratio is again sine square pi by 6. So a upon 1 minus r, and r here is less than 1. So we can apply this formula, a upon 1 minus r. So sine square pi by 6 upon cos square pi by 6, that is tan square pi by 6, and the value is 1 by 3. The value of alpha came as 1 by 3. Alright. Now, so writing the function gx would be then 2 raised power x by 3 plus 2 raised to the power 1 minus x by 3. Alright, bachcho. So, you can go with to get the minimum value for AMGM, but taking differentiation idea is also giving a solution in proper manner. So differentiating it, you will get 1 by 3 as the coefficient of x is 1 by 3, and at the differentiation part you will get 2 raised power x by 3 minus 2 raised to the power 1 minus x whole divided by 3 ln 2. Alright. So considering the sign of it as the domain is from 0 to 1, so we can draw the sign scheme for this up to 0, from 0 to 1. Obviously this is 0 when x is half by symmetry, half, you can solve it also, and for 0 to half the first part is lower, so it is minus and it is plus. This is sign scheme of g dash, the first derivative. So the graph of gx would be like, decreasing then increasing, and finding the values at the lowermost point, that is at half. G minimum is g half, basically g half, and the value of g half, putting the value here in gx, 2 raised power 1 by 6 into plus 2 raised power 1 by 6. So this is 2 into 2 raised power 1 by 6, that is 2 raised power 1 plus 1 by 6, that is 7 by 6. So this is the minimum value of the function gx. What about maximum? The topmost point you can see on the graph is either at 0 or at 1. So topmost point g max value, here also the value of g is maximum. G max value is put x equal to 1 here, x equal to 1 in gx, you will see 2 raised power 0 or 1. So 2 raised power 0, that is 1. 1 plus, okay, or putting x equal to 1 here, 2 raised power 1 by 3 plus 2 raised power 0, that is 1. So 1 plus 2 raised power 3. You can see now checking the option. Option A, the minimum value of gx 2 raised power 7 is correct. Minimum value, g mean value. G max value of gx is 1 plus 2 raised power 1 by 3 is correct. The gx attains its maximum value at more than 1 point. Maximum value at more than 1 point, obviously at 0 and at 1. Both points are the maximum value point, and gx is attaining minimum value at more than, gx is attaining minimum value at only 1 point, that is g x equal to half. So D is not correct option. A, B and C are the correct option to this question. Alright, I hope you understood this solution. Stay tuned for the next video. Take care.